Hello, and thank you for joining me today. We will practice 50 simple phrases for making a phone call. Take a deep breath, listen to the phrase, and then repeat it during the pause. Let's get started. Hello, is this Alex? Hello, is this Alex? I'd like to speak to Alex. I'd like to speak to Alex. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Please hold for a moment. Please hold for a moment. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? When are you free to talk? When are you free to talk? I have a question. I have a question. Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message? This is Alex calling. This is Alex calling. I'm calling about the meeting. I'm calling about the meeting. Is there a better time to call? Is there a better time to call? Can you put me through to sales? Can you put me through to sales? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later. Do you have time to talk? Do you have time to talk? What's the best way to contact you? What's the best way to contact you? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. What's going on? What's going on? I need to check my schedule. I need to check my schedule. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? How can I assist you? How can I assist you? I'd like to confirm my appointment. I'd like to confirm my appointment. Is this a good time? Is this a good time? Let me get back to you. Let me get back to you. Can I ask who's calling? Can I ask who's calling? I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. What does that mean? What does that mean? Let's set a time to talk. Let's set a time to talk. I'll send you an email. I'll send you an email. Can you text me the information? Can you text me the information? I need to book a meeting. I need to book a meeting. Is there anything else? Is there anything else? Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Can I help you with anything else? Can I help you with anything else? What's your availability this week? What's your availability this week? Could you email me your details? Could you email me your details? Let's schedule a call. Let's schedule a call. I'll write that down. I'll write that down. Can you give me a moment? Can you give me a moment? Where should I send the documents? Where should I send the documents? Goodbye, have a nice day. Goodbye, have a nice day. Do you understand? Do you understand? Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. Can you hear that noise? Can you hear that noise? I'll find out and call you back. I'll find out and call you back. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. Let's talk soon. Let's talk soon. You did a great job today. Learning 50 phrases is a big step toward feeling confident at work. Don't worry if you don't remember everything right now. You can listen to this video again tomorrow. While you enjoy your coffee or travel to work. If this video helped you feel calmer about speaking English, please subscribe to join our community. Your support helps me create more lessons for you. If you have a specific work situation you need help with, please leave a comment below. I read every one of them. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Keep it clear, keep it calm, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.